Well, the city is being sued over its new vacation rental law. A group of vacation rental owners filed suit claiming the law is unconstitutional in many ways. Owners want enforcement of the new law halted. Erica Engel with more in the story that's new at 10.
Attorney Greg Kugel represents the Hawaii Vacation Rental Owners Association and filed the lawsuit on its behalf.
What we are hoping is that the court will rule all or parts of the ordinance either unconstitutional or illegal and therefore not enforceable on a permanent basis.
At the mayor's June signing ceremony, City Council Chairman Ikaika Anderson acknowledged that the bill had flaws.
Bill 89 is not perfect, but I must admit, Ron, Kirk, it is pretty darn good. It will go a long way towards enforcement.
The lawsuit begs to differ. Kugel says the regulations, as created by the Department of Planning and Permitting, did not go through the standard rulemaking process. But there's more.
The regulations aren't supported by and conflict with the ordinance. And the regulations aren't consistent with the law as it is today either, and they create a lot of confusion.
We have been asking DPP to tell us how many notices of violation have been sent out and have not received any numbers. Today, we asked for comment about the suit, and the department released a brief statement. The judge did not file an order today. The city will adhere to the hearing schedule that has been set. That hearing is August 15th, but the judge has already given both sides a specific instruction.
He wants us and the city, after that hearing and before he rules, to sit down and talk, because he thinks that some of the issues, because there are many issues, as you say in the case, will be fleshed out, and maybe there is room for agreement on some, if not all.
A ruling could come a week after the hearing. Erica Engel, KHON2 News.